Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Loopsy Noodle from Poppy Playtime Chapter 5. And don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the shape of the head. We're going to start in the middle and we're going to curve this out. We're going to round that out, tucking that in, flattening that out in the center. We're almost going to create like a sideways oval. We're going to mirror that on the right. So starting on the top, again, curving this over, tucking this around and through to the bottom, blending that together. We'll start with a zipper on the top. So we're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming out from the middle. And then from that edge, just pulling those up to the top. Let's flatten that out, bringing that straight across. And then again, we're just going to bring this down to the top of the head. Let's draw in the ear. So stepping down, we're going to curve this up and out. Let's round out the side here. So from that point, we're just going to curve this over, tucking this around and down on the top. And then we'll replicate that on the right-hand side as well. So we're just going to curve this over, tucking that down. Let's step in. We're going to arch this up and across on both sides. And then now from here, as we move up, we're just going to curve this up and over to the top of the ear. Let's come down right in the center here, and we're going to draw in a small circle. We're going to move around this. So on the top, in the center, we're going to curve this around, tucking this over and into the middle. And then we'll start back on that line again on the right, mirroring that in the opposite direction, connecting that back together. Now let's start from above the mouth here. We're just going to draw in a straight line. And we will continue this as we leave a gap coming all the way up in between towards the top of the head. We're just going to draw in two more underneath. Let's come across for the eyes. So stepping over on the left, drawing in a circle. And then lining that up at the same height on the right-hand side, we will replicate that. Let's move in towards the middle, drawing in another circle right in the center. Let's draw the cross for our eyes. So we're going to draw in the letter V right on the top. And then now we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming out. Let's pull that back into the middle, leaving a gap. Extending that back out to the side. Now let's draw another diagonal line coming into the middle. And then we're going to pull that back up on a diagonal to the top, closing that off. Let's come down for the little bandana on the neck here. So we're going to curve this down on either side, joining that at a point. And then from the top, just drawing in a small curved line coming into the center on either side. Now for the body, we're just going to curve this line down, ending that at the same height. From that line, drawing in a circle for the foot. Replicating that on the right as well. In the center, we're just going to draw in a slight curved line, and then coming underneath, arching that across. Now for the arm, let's curve that up and into the chin. Let's draw in the hands. We're going to curve this over, tucking that back through. And then to close off the rest of the hand, we're just going to arch this back around and into our foot. And that is it. That's how you draw Loopsy Noodle from Poppy Playtime Chapter 5. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.